Hey, what's up guys? This will be a quick video on how to optimize ink flow and properly store your watercolor brush pens. If you want to check out the watercolor collection, link will be down below. Now let's get started. The key to consistently get ink flow depends on how the pens are stored. Optimal long time storage for these pens would be to either lay them flat or set them aside with the tips pointing down. Try and avoid storing them upright with the tips pointing up, as this can lead to the ink falling towards the bottom of the brush pens. Additionally, if the pens have been sitting unused for a while, you might need to dab them gently in some water, wipe the tips on a rag or paper towel, and gently swirl the brush pen on a test sheet of paper to encourage ink flow. And that's it. If you want to check out the art supplies that were used in this video, the link will be in the description below. And if you like what you see, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more content. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.